Hello, great viewer. This is HappyMaths. We have an interesting question from Olympaid Maths. 2 to the power of root 200 equal to s raised by s. Now, by implication, whatever the value of s at the base should be the same as the power. So let's go. We have 2. Please, if you've not hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button to our notification for more. Now, we have it as root 200 equal to s root of s raised by r of s. Now, by implication, what do we do from here? This is 2. Let's split 200 so that one of the numbers is perfect square. 200 times 2. That will give me s raised to the power of s. Now, from here, this is 2. Root of 100 will give us 10 raised to root of 2 equal to s raised to the power of s. Now, what do we do from here? Note that root 2 raised to 2. The square will remove the square root to get this 2. So by implication, we have it as 10 root 2 equals to s raised to the power of s. This square remove the square root, so you get the 2 back. Now from here, what do we do? From the power law, we have it as root of 2, then 2 times 10 will give us 20 to the root of 2 equals to s raised to the power of s. Now from here, what do we do? Let's split this again. So this is 2. We can split 20 to be 4 times 5. So this is 4 times 5 root 2. That will give us equal to s to the power of s. Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification for more. Don't forget we still have root of 2 here. Now from here, what do we do? Now, this is 5 times root 2. 5 times root 2 by implication, or let's say 5 here 4. Now, 2 raised power 5, don't forget 2. This will give us root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2. By implication, root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Root 2, which will give us 4 to the root of 2. So this can replace this. So we have it as 4 to the root of 2. Then this is 4 to the root of 2 equals to s raised to the power of s. Hit the subscribe button to turn on notification for more. By comparison, discover that s raised to the power of 2 equals to s. So s equals to 4 root 2. That is the value for s. Now we are asked to find s squared. So by implication, s squared equal to 4 to the root of 4 squared. Now this is s squared equals to 4 squared will give us 16. The square will remove the square root, which is equal to 2. Therefore, s squared is equal to 32. This is the final answer. Hit the subscribe button and follow us for more. Bye.